Let's show you the MOLLE Pocket. It fits on the driver or the passenger, or it can be on the rear seats as well. Here it is. It's a nice wide pocket, deep pocket. It opens and closes this way. It Velcro. There's an opening right here. Kind of allows you to then kind of zip this open like this. Okay, there's the openers for the Velcro. It's sewn on the top right here, so it's sewn on. It's secure right here. It's going to close back up just like this. Okay. On the front, there is the MOLLE webbing. You'll notice that. You might know the name MOLLE. It's Modular Lightweight Load Carrying Equipment. That's what it stands for. Because you can interchange equipment, basically. Military came out with this. So you can attach let's say this first aid kit right here with the MOLLE webbing straps that come through here and snap at the bottom. That's really handy. It's, highly recommended to know where your first aid kit is all the time, right? And then we have some LED flares on here. Flashlight. You could, put a tire pressure gauge. That'd be another great safety item to have on here. But a lot of different things you can snap on right there. It's kind of out of the way. Your legs are kind of extended like this, so it's kind of right there. Super handy. Very functional pocket. Inside, a lot of different things can fit in there. A cell phone could fit in there. Get it out of the way. Monitor and so forth that you might be using. Those can go inside there. There it is right there. That's the MOLLE Pocket. Again, can be on the driver or passenger or both, as well as the rear seats. And so that's our MOLLE Pocket. Super functional. You'll love the functionality of that as an option you can do to our Covers and Camo custom seat covers. Coversandcamo.com. Hope you get this MOLLE Pocket.